Hi there, students. An earful. The earful. Okay, to give someone an earful, to get an earful. This is talking about complaining angrily. So when your mum sees what you've done to your new clothes, you're going to get an earful from her. Okay, she's going to be really angry with you. To give someone an earful, to complain to them. Yeah, so an excessive amount of scolding, telling off. You did that really badly. Yeah, um, the, so to get an earful. Yeah, is when somebody's angry with you, when they rebuke you. Yeah. When I got to school and the teacher discovered I hadn't done my homework, I got an earful. Yeah. I guess you could use this also to talk about if somebody talks excessively about something. Yeah. So when we had lunch with my aunt on Sunday, we got an earful about all her medical problems. So she talked and talked and talked and talked about it. I guess also you could get an earful of gossip, particularly scandalous or intimate gossip. Yeah. So when I went to talk next door to talk to my elderly neighbour, she gave me an earful of what was going on in the next house down. Yeah, there were all sorts of scandalous things going on. But I think most commonly an earful, yeah, is when somebody's angry. Yeah. Okay, so the park keeper gave me an earful for playing football on his beautiful new grass. Yeah, okay, a telling off. This is when somebody is angry as well. And then I guess you could get an earful about what's happening. Somebody talks to you on and on, or maybe they give you a lot of gossip about something. Yeah. So effectively, an earful. This is outpouring. While we're on the word earful, I guess you can get an eyeful as well. Let's see. I came out of the bath and there was a dog doing something disgusting in my garden. So I ran out holding this towel around me. But the towel fell off and the neighbours got an eyeful. Yeah, an outpouring of, naked me. That really would be an eyeful. Yeah, but I think that one's more humorous. Yeah, when she bent down towards me, I got an eyeful. Okay, so an earful. Yeah, this for me the major idea is that somebody is angry with you and they go on and on and on. Yeah. I came home rather drunk last night and my wife gave me a real earful. Okay, so an earful of angry comments. Yeah. A scolding, a lengthy, severe scolding. Yeah, you'll get an earful from your parents when they discover you failed your exams. Yeah, or maybe just a lot of information. Yeah, I asked the salesman a question about the product, and he gave me an earful of information, just much too much. Okay. So, formality, an earful, to give someone an earful. This is very informal. I'm going to give it 3 informality. Use it in an informal conversation. I don't think you would use it in a semi-formal conversation. So just keep this to informal conversations. Yeah, and as to the origin, well, your ear is full of their talk. And let's see, ear comes from Proto-West Germanic aura, talking about the ear. Proto-Germanic also, ear. Yeah, Proto-Indo-European huos. Okay, so an earful. Somebody's shouting at you and they're angry with you. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. An earful. To get an earful. To give someone an earful.